to show you how to make a delicious but very simple soy sauce dressing that you will be able to use with soft tofu but also salads. Okay, so what do we need to make our soy sauce dressing? Of course, we need soy sauce. Then we will need some oil. Usually I use olive oil. Then you will need some vinegar. Rice vinegar, cider vinegar, balsamico, wine vinegar. Any vinegar works well, I think. Then you will need some black pepper. Now, if you can find shiso leaves in your countries, shiso leaves with the soy sauce dressing, it's really a good match. Also, especially if you make the sauce to go with the soft tofu, those myoga ginger buds, they are absolutely delish with the soy sauce dressing and very refreshing. So it's really a good sauce to make during the summer. The first time I made it, actually, it was during the summer to match this soft tofu. So now let's see how to make it. Okay, so first put your soft tofu in the drainer. Okay, then cut your myoga into very thin slices. Voila, with your assistant. Okay, then slice your shiso leaves. Okay, so now we are going to mix the soy sauce. So let's say 2 spoons of soy sauce, 3 spoons of olive oil, and then 1 spoon of vinegar. Then add some black pepper. Mix. And then you can add your shiso and myoga. So as soy sauce is salty, generally you don't need to add any salt. Voila. So once you've drained your soft tofu, just put it in a nice plate. Then all you have to do is cover it with the sauce and the ingredients. Voila, be generous with it. So we hope that you enjoyed making this recipe with us. As you could see, it's a very easy dressing to make. It goes well with the soft tofu, but also salads. I like to make salads with some shredded chicken breast and add this dressing because it's a good match. White fish goes well with that dressing too, so I highly recommend it. Don't worry if you don't have shiso leaves or myoga. You can replace those with basilic. It will give a nice touch to the soy sauce and it will be a good match too. So I think that you can find the ingredients in any countries. Hope you enjoy. We will see you very soon with another recipe, okay? Bye guys. Bye bye.